In previous video, we have learned about food we eat. Now, we do exercise of lesson 1, food we eat. Number 1, tick the correct answer. A. Sugar and starch are first proteins, second carbohydrates, third fats, fourth minerals. The answer is carbohydrates. B. A nutrient that keep us warm is first fat, second vitamin, third protein, fourth mineral. The answer is fat. C. A nutrient that is required in very small amount but is essential for the body is first vitamin, second carbohydrate, third fat, fourth protein. The answer is vitamin. D. Which of the following has no nutritional value? First roughage, second fats, third vitamins, fourth minerals. The answer is roughage. E. A laborer who does a lot of physical work requires a diet rich in first proteins, second vitamins, third roughage, fourth carbohydrate. The answer is carbohydrate. Number 2, fill in the blanks. A. Dash are nutrients that should be eaten in the least quantity. The answer is minerals. B. Dash solution is used to test the presence of starch, carbohydrate in food. The answer is iodine. C. Dash has no nutritive value. The answer is roughage. D. Vitamin dash is good for the eyes and skin. The answer is A. E. Dash is an essential minerals for healthy bones and teeth. The answer is calcium. Number 3. Give 2 examples of foods rich in A. Carbohydrates, potato, rice. B. Protein, milk, eggs. C. Fats, oil, butter. D. Iron, apple, spinach. E. Vitamin C, orange, amla. Number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Define the terms. First, nutrients. Second, roughage. Third, balanced diet. Answer A. First, nutrients. The useful substances present in the food are called nutrients. Second, roughage. The fiber present in the food is called roughage. Third, balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients, water and roughage in right amount. B. Are the food requirements same for all human beings? Explain with two examples. Answer. No, the food requirements are not same for all human beings. Two examples are as follows. First, young children need more energy. Second, older people need less energy. C. Why should roughage be included in our daily diet? Answer. Roughage should be included in our daily diet because it helps in the removal of waste materials from the body. D. Why is water essential for the body? Answer. Water is essential for the body because it helps to digest food and maintain the body temperature. E. How can you prevent wastage of food? Answer. We can prevent wastage of food by serving only with that much food that we can and our body needs. F. Distinguish between carbohydrates and proteins. Answer. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients while proteins are body building nutrients. Student, you do question answer in your notebook. Thank you.